Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you guys how to install VS Code on Linux. So those who don't know what VS Code is, it's called Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. It's an integrated development environment used by the developers. Like if you're into programming or if you're learning programming, you can use this to upgrade yourself, you can use this to practice the problems, you can use this to develop the apps or whatever you do. So I'll be showing you guys how to install Visual Studio Code on Linux. So we'll right here. So right in download Visual Studio Code, we come to this page. So let's click on download Visual Studio Code. So this is what it shows. Like this is for Windows, this is for Linux, and this is for Mac. So as I'm using Ubuntu, I'll click here. So it transfers me to this page, and after clicking on that, I can directly see this tab where it shows to save me the file of the VS Code. So let's click on OK and let me download it. So it has got downloaded and it's right here. This code underscore 1.57.0 hyphen. This is the software. So let's click on it. So it takes me to this page where there is written code editing, redefine, install Visual Studio Code. So this is where I can install the code. Like I have downloaded the software and now it's time for installing. I'm not going to install it because I have already installed, I've already launched it. You can see right here, this is my Visual Studio Code. So if you want to install, you can go and click on install. It's pretty easy to do that. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. One thing, I'm always trying to improve, but if you have any constructive criticism or any questions, you can put it down in the comments. And if you want to help me grow, head over to the subscribe button and hit it.